Hi, I'm Michaela Paff. I teach in Andover School District. I currently am in my first year as library media specialist at the elementary school that my kids went to and that I've taught for the past 10 years in kindergarten and first grade. I also am at another school in the district that two librarians share that space, so I spend half my time at one building and half my time at another. They're both elementary buildings. Prior to teaching in Andover for the past 11 years, I stayed at home with my uh, children that are now 23, 21, and 19. I stayed home with them and did the Maroon Mom thing for 14 years. And prior to that, I spent a couple of years in third grade in Derby and 3 years in third grade in a Blue Valley School District school. So I've been teaching off and on for a long time. I am super excited about my new position as library media specialist. I am just excited about the collaboration and the connection that I can make with students of all ages and teachers. My goals for library media specialists are just to really integrate technology and innovative techniques into the library classroom and help students learn how to access knowledge in new and innovative ways, as well as traditional methods of research. I have had pretty extensive technology training in my district. I was selected as what we call the Chromebook Crew, which is a 2-year training program where you meet pretty much monthly with our ed tech people to learn, all new tips and tricks and tools with technology. Along with that training, then kindergarten through second grade teachers are given 15 iPads to kind of represent a 2-to-1 pilot. So I've done that for 2 years. This is my third year. So I have implemented a lot of technology and feel pretty comfortable problem solving and figuring out things. I'm pretty motivated to explore technology things. So I'm excited about all the things that we might learn in this class. My goal for my graduate degree is mainly just so that I can become certified as a library media specialist and just continue on this career path. My strengths, again, are just that I'm kind of open and willing to figure things out. I'm not afraid of technology, and I'm excited about ways to use technology to enhance learning in all areas, and I really, really enjoy helping and supporting teachers and doing staff professional development and things like that. My weaknesses, I heard someone else on another video say that maybe their weakness was saying no to things, and I think I struggle with that as well, because I always want to help people and just do anything and everything I can. I also just love learning and love exploring new things, and sometimes I think I can dabble in too many projects at one time, so that would definitely be a weakness. I'm just really looking forward to new tips and resources and things that this class might teach me, and I'm looking forward to getting to know all of you. Thank you.